Hi, I'm John Holden.
And I'm Andrea Ocampo.
Welcome to Earth.
Johnson City, Tennessee was founded in 1856 as a railroad station, but quickly became a commerce and cultural hub for the region. Many of the buildings date back to that era. They have one main thing in common: beautiful brick facades. They're great examples of what we're talking about today, the resilience and sustainability of brick. Let's take a closer look. Sustainable building materials like brick are essential to creating a world that balances economic, societal, and environmental goals. Today's building codes reflect standards that recognize buildings for their design and durability. Brick has high ratings in all categories. It's made from natural materials like clay and shale. It can be easily recycled, reducing construction waste. And if it's responsibly mined and manufactured, it can be produced with minimal use of water and emissions.
We've taken multiple steps to maintain our sustainability. The preservation of raw materials, consistently looking at the energy consumption that we use, whether it's natural gas or electricity, installing the most modern technology to make sure that we're as efficient as we possibly can be, and also looking for alternative sources of energy, whether that's fuels or green electricity, and looking at recycled content that we put into our products. And additionally, we look at our product itself and how do we produce a lighter product that's more beneficial to less energy consumption.
Products that are inherently natural and sustainable are a driving factor in influencing today's consumer buying decisions. However, brick has always been a sustainable product, and one that has been utilized by young homeowners and dream home builders for more than a century.
I think as the industry leader in North America for brick manufacturing, also worldwide with our parent company Wienerberger, it's important that we're continuously giving consumers things that are sustainable, energy efficient, low maintenance. I think that really with brick over the years, maybe that's been lost a little bit. There's not a better product to actually build with than brick. Fire resistant, also with wind and hail damage, it's resistant to that. And I think just overall the energy efficiency of brick is very important.
The recyclability of brick is clearly one of its key environmental upsides. I asked General Shale's sustainability manager for more details.
Our natural clay brick is inherently one of the greenest available with its organic raw material base. And the result of using clay brick in design creates a sustainable structure with benefits like durability, low maintenance, longevity, and high energy efficiency. When it comes to innovation, we also look at urban mining opportunities to incorporate recycled content and further our product's circular nature. In turn, we continue to make efforts to design out waste through innovation, further contributing to a climate-positive impact of our products. And for consumers today, even our corporate partners who we collaborate with to promote and provide affordable housing, we feel that the benefits of brick take the burden away from homeowners worrying about routine maintenance costs like painting or even replacement costs associated with alternative materials. When it comes to building with natural clay brick, what better value add is there than with its benefits of durability, low lifetime maintenance, longevity, excellent fire and storm resistance ratings, which all tally up to be true long-term value and affordability without sacrificing the design preferences of consumers with a range of brick colors, textures, shapes, and sizes.
The fundamentals of brick manufacturing haven't changed a lot over decades, but today's brick plants are more efficient and produce higher quality products. I wanted to visit General Shale's manufacturing facility in Spring City, Tennessee, and its nearby mining operations to learn more. Out here at the mine, clay and shales are dug from open pits with power equipment. These mine areas will eventually be reclaimed by replacing topsoil, so the property can be reused for farmland, residential and commercial development, or even natural wildlife habitats.
We stay at these sites for 30, 40 years, so we don't hop around. And after we mine all this material, we have plans to reclaim this land to make it better than what we found before. After that, we grind this material to a certain particle size so that we can extrude it out into the shape of a brick. With the trimmings that are left, we reuse them, so essentially we have no green waste. We want to remove the moisture from the brick. During that process, in the firing zones, we take the excess heat and reuse it in the beginning of the drying. Once the product is laid on a wall, then the customer reaps many benefits. It's structural, it's a good insulator during the heat and winter, and it's maintenance free.
Our legacy that we leave behind is one of continuous sustainability, where we continue to provide jobs for the community. We have over 2,300 employees just in North America. And for us, it's how we continue to push that. How do we offer careers at General Shale or at Wienerberger and move forward into the future, providing a sustainable product that lasts multiple lifetimes.
The best thing about brick, whether it's really old or just looks old, it retains the same qualities of strength, sustainability, and beauty. One thing is for sure, brick masonry creates a complete circular economy and stands the test of time. I'm Andrea Ocampo. Until next time.